Alright, boys and squirrels, we're back with the ATV, part 2 of this video. She got a little bit dirty from last time we were using her, or last time we were filming her, so we're gonna give her a little bit of the hose. Oh yeah, she's a good amount of muddy. Probably gonna be water going into the gas tank now because I did that, but that's okay. Alright, we're gonna switch this to soap. Now she's all soapy. Okay, I'll go scrub her off camera and we'll get back to you when she's all clean. Alright, now that she's all washed up, I'm going to go ahead and take off the fairings, all the plastics around the gas tank and stuff, and figure out where this fuel leak's coming from. That's our main issue right now. And then once that's solved, I guess I'll just run, I'll keep the same fuel filter. I'll just replace all the hoses, because you can see they're kind of breaking up a little bit up there. I don't know. But yeah. We'll put a new fuel line in there, see if that fixes the leak. Hopefully it does. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be pretty sad. But yeah, we'll let her idle and run for a while and see if she likes it. Maybe, just maybe, I might paint this exhaust because I don't like the rust on it. But I might do that. Then I guess we can get started on the chain after that's done. I just gotta I gotta actually unbolt the link. Oh, where is it? Oh yeah, she's not in a good place right now. There we go. I gotta find where the link is that, right here. I actually found it already, look at that. It's really kind of breaking off, but we're gonna break that off even more, completely off, cut it off, and then we're gonna re-weld it in place. But like further up, maybe like 2 or 3 links worth, just so she's nice and tight, and then she shouldn't fall off for another 20 minutes. So she's running pretty good right now. I let her idle here for a bit. She's idling a little bit high, but she takes it now. Actually no, she won't let you give her any beans. But I'll let her idle a little bit longer and we'll see what happens. But first let me cut the chain and fix that. Alright boys, so we got this boy welded on pretty good. I ran out of clips to put on there, so I just welded it. Should be fine. The chain's really tight. Like, there's no flex at all. I don't know if that's a bad thing, but the thing is the axle used to swing back and forth. That's why I had this ratchet strap. But now she's right on there. She ain't going anywhere. We're gonna let her idle for about 15 minutes, and then we're gonna get her down the street for a little bit of a rip. Boys, she's running okay. We're gonna see if she wants to go for a spin. I don't know if you can really tell right now, but the axle is a little bit shifted, so we're gonna have to crab walk down the street, but we're gonna see if we can get the 3rd gear.
Why didn't I just drop this?
Yeah, I think it's cheap.
What do we got over there?
Something cheap.
Lots of cheap things today.
That's pretty nasty. I'm just gonna pretend I didn't look in there. We're gonna stick this on the head anyway.
That's okay. You're gonna have a shower after this.
Oh no, this doesn't fit anymore.
You got... Oh, perfect timing. Is that a cop? Nope.
That's okay.
We got fucking Baniel Knievel. All crime is legal. We're in the purge now. Ride's good, dude. Oh, damn. She doesn't eat? She doesn't want to eat or what?
She won't take full beans.
No? Wonder why.
Look, she'll stall out.
That's
I'm gonna
strange.
run a little bit longer.
Yeah, we're good. Dan just gave. Oh! She's gonna.
She'll come or no?
Oh yeah, of course. She's gonna eat. Oh! It runs, dude. Oh my god, the axle! That's so off! Oh my god. Oh! I heard that. What happened?
Sprocket fell off.
Oh! Oh!
That's okay, we'll weld it back on.
Go well. She still runs though. She was running good. She was eating.
She eats.
Oh, she eats! Gonna get married. Woo!
We welded the sprocket back on. She'll never come off again. She's good.
Oh, she's mint. All right, let her eat.
This time we're gonna roll through gears.
Roll through the gears, he says. Yo, do a pull, do a flyby from down there. Oh, she's eating, dude. She's fucking eating. Oh, it's just neutral, drop it. Oh, look at the torque. Look at the axle. Dude, the angle. That's pretty mint. Fuck. Woo. Do one more. Oh. Well. Oh, he's pulling up there. We're good.
Wheels and deals, boys.
This would be a good video.